Learning how to lead and grow in your industry is something the brothers at Alpha Phi Alpha want to help teach the young men in the city of Bakersfield. I'm Eric J. Dockery, your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter, and this weekend they will hold a conference to help those individuals achieve their dreams and aspirations. On Saturday, January 18th, from 8:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m., the men of Alpha Phi Alpha Fraternity Incorporated are hosting a Shaping Destiny event in the Student Multipurpose Room at CSUB.
I think now more than ever, our young people need vision and a direction. And so it was really birthed out of those two things. And so here we are just trying to help foster these youth and guide them in the right direction. You know, social media is going to give them everything that's negative. So here we are trying to do something positive and inspire change within our community.
Knowing what you're going to do after high school can be a difficult decision for some individuals. The speakers at this event want to make that transition easier for the youth and show them potential paths.
It's giving them the knowledge that they need, because a lot of them don't get the knowledge. A lot of them don't have access to those resources. So we want to be a resource that provide that knowledge to educate them, to help them understand, like, I am great, I can be somebody, I can be more than what my community tell me that I am.
The Brothers of the Fraternity are partnering with multiple organizations to bring keynote speakers to show the young men that they can achieve the same heights as the ones in front of them.
I believe you can only be what you see. And so if you're able to see it, you can become it, and you're able to touch it. There's a lot of great men in this community. I think from this, they'll be able to tie in, hey, I saw this person at the mall, or I saw this person at the grocery store. Now you're able to build that community, that connection. As we continue to go out and do things, now you have those continued bonds forever.
This is the first event in the city of Bakersfield. There are seats still available, and they will be providing scholarships and school essentials for students. One individual will receive a laptop to continue their journey in education. If you are interested, you can sign up with the QR code on your screen. Organizers tell me they plan to bring this conference back to continue to help tomorrow's leaders. For 23 ABC, I'm Eric J. Dockery, your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter.